Okay, in this scenario, we have day one where 3 people heard about the winner of something. And on day 2, each of these 3 people tells 2 people. Here's your second person telling their 2 friends, and so on. And as it follows, this new person will tell 2 people the following day, this new person tells 2, and so on. If we take a table of values for the scenario, you can see that 6 minus 3 is 3, but 12 minus 6 is 6. So there's no common difference. But if we take the quotient, we get a ratio of 2. Here we're taking any number and dividing by the one that came before it. We also get a 2. You could do that on any of them. So this means that the pattern is doubling each time, or being multiplied by a common ratio of 2. So if we think about it, this is 3. We did 3 times 2. We did 3 times 2 and then times another 2. And we keep multiplying by 2. Well, this is where the change is happening, and repeated multiplication is where we get an exponent. So we have 3 that we're starting with. We're multiplying by 2, and it doesn't start with our first value, it starts with the second. So we're not going to go with n, but n minus 1. And if we want to test, I'm going to suggest we test this one. If we go with 5 as the n value, we would have 3 times 2 to the 4th. And if we type that in our calculator, we do get 48. So just to check. This pattern where we have that repeated multiplication, this is called an exponential pattern. And again, you can tell because we're always going to have that exponent with a variable. In this case, it's n minus 1.